LumaFusion versus Final Cut Pro. Choosing the right video editing software can transform how you create professional videos without unnecessary complexity. LumaFusion offers mobile flexibility, while Final Cut Pro delivers powerful desktop editing. LumaFusion and Final Cut Pro are both top-tier video editors, but their core difference lies in platform and workflow. LumaFusion is designed for iOS devices, focusing on portability, whereas Final Cut Pro is a macOS desktop solution built for high-end, detailed editing. LumaFusion is a professional video editing app tailored for iPhones and iPads. It provides a multi-track timeline with up to 6 video and audio tracks, plus additional audio-only tracks. The app supports a wide range of formats and resolutions, enabling on-the-go editing with a touch interface. Its strengths include intuitive gestures, fast rendering, and direct export to social platforms. LumaFusion also offers advanced features like keyframing, color correction, and audio mixing, making it suitable for mobile journalists, content creators, and vloggers who need powerful editing without a computer. However, it is limited by the hardware capabilities of mobile devices, which means it may struggle with very large projects or complex effects compared to desktop software. Overall, LumaFusion is ideal for users prioritizing mobility and ease of use while maintaining professional-grade editing tools. Final Cut Pro is Apple's professional video editing software for macOS, known for its robust performance and advanced features. It offers a magnetic timeline, multicam editing, and support for 8K resolution and HDR workflows. Final Cut Pro integrates seamlessly with other Apple applications and hardware, providing optimized rendering speeds through metal acceleration. Its strengths include extensive effects, color grading tools, motion graphics, and audio editing capabilities, making it a favorite among filmmakers, video producers, and editors working on complex projects. The software supports plugins and third-party integrations, expanding creative possibilities. However, Final Cut Pro requires a powerful Mac and has a steeper learning curve compared to mobile editors. It's best suited for users who need high-end editing, detailed control, and are working primarily from a desktop environment. Comparing LumaFusion and Final Cut Pro highlights a trade-off between mobility and power. LumaFusion excels in portability, letting users edit anywhere with a touchscreen interface, perfect for quick edits or field work. It's user-friendly but limited by mobile hardware when handling very complex projects. Final Cut Pro, on the other hand, offers unmatched performance and advanced features on a Mac, ideal for large-scale productions and detailed workflows. Its magnetic timeline and professional toolsets support intricate edits that LumaFusion cannot match. However, it lacks the convenience of mobile editing. If you need fast, accessible editing on iOS devices, LumaFusion is the go-to. For studio-grade projects requiring depth and precision, Final Cut Pro is superior. Choose LumaFusion if you prioritize mobility and quick professional edits on your iPhone or iPad without sacrificing essential editing features. Final Cut Pro is the best choice for users seeking powerful, desktop-based editing with advanced tools and high performance. It's perfect for filmmakers and professionals focused on complex projects and detailed control. Pick the software that fits your workflow and creative needs.